This sheet set from HomeSuite is 600 thread count, 100% Egyptian cotton. We have it in twin, twin XL, double, queen, king, and California king. White, sand, celadon. We have slate blue and silver. Oh wait, there's more colors on our website, and we will hold the same price for you on these Egyptian cotton sheets with the plethora of colors that are listed on our website. But Miss Laura is here with us, looking fantastic, by the way.
Thank you.
Always so happy to work with you.
You too, honey.
And quality, quality, quality. Yeah. That is what I want to stress about this today's showstopper. Some of the best in Egyptian cotton you will find in a sheet set.
This is it. This is something, and by the way, I'd like to point this out from the beginning. This is how it'll become packaged, because those of you that are shopping for wedding gifts, bridal shower gifts, anniversaries, or thinking far enough ahead to the holidays and doing like, I want to give fabulous sheets to my daughter and her husband, it will say 600 thread count, Egyptian cotton 4-piece set right on the front, so they know that they're getting something of luxury and high quality. This is actually showing that it's 100% Egyptian cotton. The label's there, and this one is called the Okotex certification. Okotex means that it was made being environmentally conscious.
I love that.
So all those good things make this the sheet set to have. When I was putting this show together with one of our planners, he said, "Are you ready for this?" Because this is one of the most requested sheet sets in our entire inventory. Now, some of you are going to say, oh, wait a minute, what about mink? The mink program that we do in November, that's not as requested because you know it comes every November.
Every November, yeah.
But this one we only do a couple of times a year, and you are all over this. Because those of you who love cotton, you love the finest, it's 100%. It's not a blend, it's not a smidgen of 100% cotton. All 100% Egyptian cotton. And what makes that so special is it's considered to be the finest fiber in the world. These are luxury sheets at a value today that makes everybody want to get in on these, because you know how special it is. Our buying team works months and months to make sure they can deliver that value. Otherwise, there's no point in us doing it. That's why you wait with anticipation and go, when are they coming? When we can make the deal. The deal's been made so that you're gonna get a fitted sheet with a 16-inch pocket for the double, the queen, the king, and California king, even the specialty sizes, then your flat sheet, and then your 2 pillowcases. Now, if you need extra pillowcases,
they're available online, and we also have an item number for those, and you can pick up on them in all of the colors. 212-503 is your item number on those single pillowcases, and I know a lot of you do want to pick up on that. The duvet cover is also coming up. The quilted mattress topper is coming up, and we've got some quilt sets. Here's the other thing that I wanted to stress to you. The savings today on the prices on these sheets are phenomenal. If you're looking at the twin, it's $120 off. The double's $153 off. The king is $144 off. Just to give you an example, they're ranging between 51 and 58% off today. And I think that they're flying out the door so much because many of our customers have picked up on these in the past, and they understand the value and the quality of this 100% Egyptian cotton sheet set. I would say this one has guts. You know, like it's got substance in the fabrication of it.
It does, because it's 600 thread count. We have the slate blue, which is new. Celadon, which this is one of the #1 colors today. It is the most gorgeous spring summer color. There's a brightness to it, there's a lightness, there's a freshness. It's like a celery green. It's light and beautiful. We have our silver, which is the best. Natalie looked at me and she said, that is the name for it.
Yeah,
it is
it's
silver.
a true silver.
Then this one is sand. We do have a white available. It's a creamy white, not Arctic white, but a creamy white. Call it white when you order, and a lot of you like your luxury sheets to be white. This is gonna be your option there. So 5 great colors to be able to share with you. 600 thread count, as Renee said, 600 threads in every single square inch means it's truly the Goldilocks. It's not too light, not not too heavy, but it's substantial. There's body to it, there's structure to it, so that you really feel the sense of luxury within this. Now, the 100% Egyptian cotton means it's gonna be durable, it's gonna be strong, it's gonna hold on to those dyes. So this slate blue stays slate blue, celadon stays celadon. So you have something here that is in the world of luxury that normally you are spending $250, $300, $350 for a set, because there are a lot of places that require you to buy a la carte.
Yes.
Just buy the fitted, just buy the flat, just buy the pack of pillowcases. The pack of pillowcases that Renee gave you the item number for, they're $29.99.
I know, crazy.